Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin now by reducing the biggest visual stresses. Move your screen 20-30 in from your face and angle the top at eye level. This reduces neck strain and reduces glare. Once done, lower brightness until it matches the room, not too dim, not blinding. Make sure to start the 20-20-20 habit immediately. Every 20 minutes look at something about 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This gives your accommodation system a break and slows fatigue. Now focus on the detailed adjustments that sustain comfort. Increase text size to about 110-125% so you don't lean forward. Change layouts to reduce visual clutter. Once done, switch to a warmer color temperature or enable a blue light filter in the evening, around 3000-4000 K. That reduces short wavelength strain. Make sure to set your chair and keyboard so elbows sit at roughly 90 degrees and wrists remain neutral, because posture affects blink rate and ocular surface. Finish by adding supportive measures that prevent recurrence. Use preservative-free lubricating drops if eyes feel dry, and consider anti-reflective or computer-specific glasses with light magnification to reduce accommodative effort. Once done, practice 10 slow, deliberate blinks every 20 minutes and keep room humidity around 40-50%. If symptoms persist despite these steps, make sure to see an eye care professional. And if double vision or severe pain occurs, seek urgent evaluation immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.